Hey guys, welcome back to a new theme. This month's theme is all about the farm. In this video, I'm going to share with you two fun farm-themed activities you can do with your preschoolers. If you haven't liked this video or subscribed to the channel yet, you can do that now. Hey guys, today's video contains two skill sets that are important for preschoolers: letter recognition and fine motor skills. To start off, we have an activity that's great for letter recognition. For this activity, we're going to match uppercase and lowercase letters. All you need for this activity are Easter eggs, and you will write an uppercase letter on the top part of an egg and a lowercase letter on the bottom part of the egg. The children will then match the uppercase letters to the lowercase letters. Now you can make this easier by putting the uppercase and lowercase letters on the matching colors, or if you want to make it a little harder, you can put the letters on different colors and let them match the letters not based on the color that they are on. Our second activity is a fine motor activity, and it is creating a ear of corn using corn kernels. For this activity, you will cut out the shape of a corn and its husk with construction paper. You'll have that already ready to go, and then you will let the children glue corn kernels onto the corn. Thanks for watching these two activities. Don't forget to check out the next videos in this farm theme, but then also check out all the other videos on different themes on the channel as well. I will see you next time. Bye.